Are you ready to teach someone English? Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today, I want to share a very powerful technique that can help you improve your English fast. It's simple, but trust me, it works. So here's the idea. Just imagine someone is sitting in front of you and try to teach them English. Yes, even if no one is really there, or even if someone is sitting in front of you, maybe your husband, your wife, your child, your parents, or your friends. That's even better. But remember, this is not about improving their English. This is about improving your English. This is for you, to help you think in English, speak clearly, and become fluent. Let me show you how it works. Why this works so well? When you try to teach someone something, real or imaginary, your brain starts working in a new way. You start from the basics, you explain slowly, you use easy words, you make the other person understand. And while doing all that, guess what? You are improving your English. You are actually learning better. This technique helps you speak without fear, think in English, use simple and natural sentences, and become more confident every day. And the best part, you can do it all by yourself. You can do it alone at home, maybe even when you are cooking or while walking. Okay, now let me tell you how can you do it right now. Sit down and imagine someone is sitting in front of you. Maybe they don't know English at all. They are a beginner. Choose a topic, a simple topic, maybe how to introduce yourself in English, talk about simple present tense, or how to order food at a restaurant. Now start teaching them like this. Hi, today I am going to teach you how to talk about your daily routine. First, we use simple verbs like wake up, brush, eat, go, come, etc. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. Just keep going. If you get stuck, pause, think, find simple words, try again. Here, you are not acting. You are actually practicing speaking English. That too in a powerful way. This is a powerful technique to improve your English. Without you knowing it, you are improving your English here. Now imagine if someone is really there. Someone is actually sitting in front of you. Great! You don't need to be an expert. Just explain something small. Speak slowly, use gestures, let them ask questions if they want. Even if they don't understand, you are still getting great practice. Remember, this is not about being a perfect teacher. This is about you getting better. It's about helping yourself speak better English clearly and more confidently. So my friend, next time you want to practice English, don't look for any English speaking partners or any friends. Just practice English all by yourself. Just imagine someone is there and start practicing English. Start teaching them English. Or if you are really keen, like you want someone to sit in front of you, ask your child, your friend, or any relatives to come and sit in front of you for 5 minutes and teach them something simple. Trust me, this technique is simple, but it will help you speak better, think faster, and become more confident in English. You don't need a classroom, you don't need a student, you don't need a teacher. All you need is you, your imagination, and your voice. Did you like this idea? Try it out and let me know how do you feel in the comments. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.